Have you ever wondered how sweet almond oil, a popular ingredient in many health and beauty products, is made? This golden elixir, derived from sweet almonds, has been turning heads in the skincare industry for its amazing benefits. Its magic doesn't stop there. The health industry also recognizes its nutritional value, using it in a variety of products. This widespread popularity begs the question, how is it made? Now, prepare to be fascinated as we unravel the process of making sweet almond oil. The journey of almond oil begins with the harvesting of sweet almonds. This important step usually takes place in late summer or early fall, when the almond hulls begin to reveal their treasures by splitting open. The process doesn't stop there, though. To ensure the best quality, the harvested almonds must then be dried. This crucial step ensures they are in optimal condition for the oil extraction process. Once the almonds are dry, they are ready for the next stage, oil extraction. The extraction of oil from the almonds is a fascinating process. It begins with the cold pressing method, which is as simple as it sounds. The harvested almonds are first crushed into a coarse meal, using a machine that applies steady pressure. This crushing process breaks down the almond's cell walls, allowing the oil to be released. Next, the crushed almonds are pressed or cold pressed to squeeze out the oil. This method is named cold pressing because it uses no heat or chemicals. The absence of these elements ensures that the oil retains its full nutritional value, including all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make almond oil such a health powerhouse. Let's not forget about the importance of purity. After extraction, the oil is usually left to settle, allowing any remaining almond particles to sink to the bottom. It is then filtered to remove these solids, resulting in pure, clean, and ready-to-use almond oil. After extraction, the oil is usually left to settle and then filtered to remove any remaining solids. Finally, the oil is ready to be packaged and distributed. But how does this golden elixir get from the factory to your hands? Well, the process is as meticulous as the oil extraction itself. The oil is first transferred into pristine bottles, each of which is carefully selected to ensure it keeps the oil fresh and potent. The bottling process is typically automated, ensuring precision and cleanliness. Once bottled, each bottle is labeled with essential information such as the oil's origin, extraction method, and expiration date. This transparency allows you to know exactly what you're getting when you purchase a bottle of sweet almond oil. And the journey doesn't end there. The bottled oil can be sold as is, gracing the shelves of health food stores and pharmacies. Alternatively, it can be used as an ingredient in a wide range of products, from skincare to culinary delights. So that's the journey of the sweet almond from the tree to the bottle of oil. Next time you use almond oil, remember the process it went through to get to you.